Jurassic Park is an exciting story that has elements such as action, suspense, violence, adventure, corruption, and biology? Yes, you heard it right. Jurassic Park has many biological influences that can easily be seen when you take a deeper look. In this video, we will be taking a look at the 5 major ones from the beginning of the story to the end of the story. In the beginning of Jurassic Park, large advances in biological science are made. Genetically engineered products and artificially selected animals have become a very profitable business. This has a lot to do with biology, seeing as these animals are selected for their desired traits and such, which adds to artificial selection, and the genetic engineering. Well, we can get much more into that in our second point. Jurassic Park begins as an in-development fun park for rich children. They recreate dinosaurs from DNA extracted from mosquitoes, which were fossilized in ancient sap, and replace the missing pieces of dinosaur DNA with frog DNA. This is also of great biological importance. Simply the altering of DNA is such an exciting prospect to many biologists, and its impacts on organisms is a confusing yet definite part of biology. Next, something the researchers in Jurassic Park did was create a world in which the dinosaurs could thrive. They recreated ancient flora in an artificial island perfectly catered to the dinosaurs' needs. This is a great show of how the researchers wanted to make dinosaurs more comfortable and maintain homeostasis. But they did change some things to assure their own homeostasis, which leads us to our next point. The dinosaurs had limits on them. The food they could eat needed lysine in order for them to survive, because the researchers made them unable to eat food without it. Also, they were created with the intent to only be female, so they couldn't reproduce. Both of these have to do with DNA alteration and to do a large part with biology. Now, these controls are broken in the book when someone decides to turn off the electric fences to get off the island. This leads up to many problems, which gets some of the people on the island concerned that humans could destroy the Earth by playing God. However, a strong biological point is brought up that debates that point by saying that life always finds a way to maintain itself. Humanity doesn't have the intelligence to end life on Earth, but they might just have the intelligence to save themselves. Now, these are just some of the biological themes in Jurassic Park. Jurassic Park is a book of many biological themes. There are many that were missed, so if you really want to know more, feel free to pick up a book or watch the movie.